And the second part is forearm. It consists of the two long bones, ulna and radius. Ulna is the longest bone and it is located in the direction of the finger, little finger. Radius is located in the direction of the thumb. From the top, these two bones are articulated with the humerus and from the bottom with the wrist, carpal bones. The hand is consisted of 27 bones which are divided into three parts. It is carpal bones, metacarpal bones, and phalanges. The wrist is composed of 8 bones which are arranged into 2 rows, and there are 4 bones in each row. The metacarpal bones, or called palm in corresponding name, are made up of 5 bones which are relatively long. The finger are composed of 14 bones called phalanges. Each finger contains 3 phalanges except the thumb. It consists of the 2 phalanges. This picture clear how are the structure of the bones in the upper arm. The humerus now subtract for the structure of upper arm. The humerus are long and strong bone. It is upper end is round, articulated with scapula from upper arm. From the lower side, articulated with forearm by elbow joint. The movement of the joint between humerus and scapula is circular. Why? Can say why? Because the head of the upper arm is big. The second part is forearm. The forearm consists of ulna and radius. Ulna is the longest bone in the forearm and located in the direction of the little finger. The radius is one of the bones of the forearm and is located in the direction of the thumb. Now let's talk about the pelvic girdle and lower limbs. Pelvic girdle consists of 2 symmetrical halves. Each of them is composed of 3 cohesive bones. They are ilium, ischium, and pubis. The pelvis is like vessels, vessels on which the vertebral column rests, and the pelvis is articulated with the lower limbs. Also, a part of the intestine and some other internal organs are found in the pelvis. There are some differences between the male and female pelvis, such as bones of pubis in female are lighter than in male, and pelvis is wider in female. Why? To facilitate the pregnancy period. Pelvis in female is less deep than in male. Lower limbs. Lower limbs are made up of femur, leg, and foot, 3 parts. Now, what are the importances of pelvis in a human body? 1 is like vessels on which vertebral column rests. A part of intestine and some other internal organs are found in pelvis. This picture explains the structure of pelvis girdle and the lower limbs. Lower limbs consist of femur, this right bone, and a leg consists of 2 bones. It is tibia is the biggest and fibula smallest, then the foot. Lower limbs consist of this part, femur. The femur is the longest and the strongest bone on the body. From upper side, this bone contains a spherical head which enters to the acetibular cavity and forms ball and socket joint. From the bottom, femur articulated with tibia by knee joint.